Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with the another interview question. So the today question is a replacement of the window function. Okay, so let me show you the table and we'll tell you the purpose. Okay, so the question is we have this data and we want to calculate the running total of the salary column. All right, so we can easily do that with the help of window function, so which is like this: employee salary, and this is the over clause, and in the over clause we put the order by and order by employee id. All right, spelling mistake. So this is the very simple one line query and you can generate this output. All right, so 24,000 plus 17,000 plus 17,000 plus 9,000. All right, so this is the very simple. So how can we do that without the window function? Okay, so let's pause this video and try it on your own. So let's write the logic and try to write the query. Okay, so first of all, what we want here, we want the generate, we want to generate the, we want to generate this column, which is running total column. Okay, so the logic is, first we will write the anchor query. Okay, so this is the very initial and minimum value query, and we'll start joining row by row, row by row, row by row with the help of this single query. Okay, so how can we do that? Just follow me. Okay, so employee id and first name and employee salary and employee salary as running salary. Okay, so this is the extra column we are using as a running salary column. All right, from employee where employee id equals to select minimum from employee id 1 employee salary. All right, so this is the, sorry, we used wrong column, and the employee id. Okay, so this is the very first row we have generated here, and with the help of this row we'll generate subsequent rows. Okay, so we have these more than 100 or more than 100 rows. So with the help of this first row we'll use this. So, and the process is called the recursion is a process basically where we use the result set and the query calling itself to perform this repetitive task. So because this is a repetitive task, we'll generate the 101, 102, 103 and 101 employee salary, then we will add the running salary and we will generate the running salary. Okay, then use the same value of the running salary and we will add the same salary into this value, so it will keep goes on. All right, so let's do this. All right, so now we'll use union all operator, and union all is basically used to merge the rows. Okay, and generate the columns, generate the rows. Okay, so let's do this, and now we should create a CTE here with CTE as and with CTE this. Okay, and from, and we'll use one from emp1. Okay, so which is I'm calling e. Okay, so e dot employee id and e dot first name and e dot employee salary and e dot employee salary plus, this is the column of running salary for running total. Okay, so this is belongs to CTE. Okay, and running salary, this is red because we haven't joined the table with CTE. Okay, CTE. Okay, now we gonna put the join condition e dot on e dot employee id equals to CTE dot employee id plus 1. So this is the logic we have to understand. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna increment the employee ID by 1, and we will use the value of that employee ID to update the running salary. Okay, so as you can see, the employee ID is 100. So we're gonna put the employee ID equals to 100. This will become the 100 plus 1. Okay, so the employee ID would be the 100 plus 1. Okay, 101, and the 101, the employee salary would be the 17,000. Okay, and what is the value of the running salary? The running salary value is this 24,500. So 24,500 plus 17,000 will become 41,500. Okay, so let's run this from EMCTE. Okay, so let's find the top two values so you can understand what is happening here. Okay, so as you know, this is the 101. How we got that? Because the value of the employee ID was the 100, and we just add 1 here, so the value will become 101, and we'll find the employee salary of that 101 would be 17,000, and the running salary was the value of 24,500. So 24,500 plus 17,000 would become the running salary of 41,000. So the current value of the 41,000 would be 41,500. Okay, so in the next iteration, if we use top 3, the third iteration, the value of the running salary would be the 41,500. So in the 41,500 of the previous row, and the current value of the employee salary, which is employee ID 102, which is employee ID 102, the 17,000 plus 41,500 is the current value of the running salary. Okay, so we will add both two values and we will get the output. Okay, so the like 17,000, 58,500. So the current running salary, current value is 51,500. Okay, so now what will happen, it will add plus 1 here. Okay, so the employee ID is 102 plus 1, so it will become 103. Okay, so the 103, after becoming the 103, it will look out for the value of the employee salary. Okay, so the employee salary value for the 103 is 9,000. Okay, and the previous value of the running salary is 58,500. 58,500 plus 9,000 is 67,500. Okay, so the employee ID 103 running salary would be 67,500. All right, so let's remove this top keyword and let's go to the recursion error. So we'll use option keyword, option max recursion 0. All right, so that's how you can generate the running column without the help of window function. Okay, so guys, this is the query we just wrote. Okay, if you have any question, if you have any query regarding this, you can ask me on a description, and if you have a better solution than this, so you can put also there in the description box. All right, thank you so much guys for your time, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. All right, thank you so much.